Welcome to Lesson 1 of Model 3, the future of AI and emerging trends. Today, we embark on exploration of how AI is poised to reshape our world, from economic landscapes to job markets. Let's uncover the projected impacts and trends that define the future of this transformative technology. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a cornerstone of global economic growth, with significant implications across various industries. Experts predict that by 2030, AI could increase the global GDP by 14%, potentially boosting annual global growth by 4 to 6%. This growth stems from substantial productivity gains, cost efficiencies, and the kind of innovation that only AI can bring to the traditional and modern industries alike. However, the integration of AI will have varied impacts on employment. In some sectors, AI will automate tasks, leading to job displacements. Yet, it's important to note that this displacements often comes with the creation of new job opportunities and the need for new skills, reflecting a shift in the job market rather than a reduction. As we look towards in the future, several key trends and statistics illustrate the broad economic influence of AI. AI's contribution to the global economy is anticipated to reach 15.7 trillion by 2030, according to PwC. Despite its benefits, challenges remain. For instance, Gartner reports that 85% of AI projects may initially deliver erroneous outcomes due to biases in data, algorithms, or team management. McKinsey estimates that AI could automate up to 25% of jobs across industries by 2025, highlighting the urgent need for adaptive workforce strategies. Meanwhile, the demand for AI expertise is surging, with AI-related jobs growing by 74% annually over the last 4 years, per LinkedIn data. The average salary for an AI specialist remains robust at over $125,000 a year, reflecting the high value placed on the skill set in this marketplace. Lastly, 94% of business leaders surveyed by Forbes believe that AI is crucial to their business success, underscoring the strategic importance of AI investments. The future of AI offers both vast potential and significant challenges. Understanding these trends helps us anticipate changes and prepare to leverage AI effectively, ensuring that we harness its potential while mitigating its risks. So thank you for joining today's lesson. As we continue to explore AI's impact on industries and job markets, remember that the future is not just shaped by technology, but by how we choose to adapt and grow with it. I look forward to our next discussion, where we will examine AI's specific impacts on business processes. So, let's go to the next lesson.